Let's take a look at a couple of classics up here at Rolling Museums. We got a 1977 Lincoln Town Coupe. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows that complement the red pinstripe perfect. I know a lot of guys don't like big wheels, but 20s are perfect. You still get the nice ride quality and drivability. She got the hideaway headlights. She has the big block 460 cubic inch 7.5 liter, backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power steering, AC. She blows snowballs, guys. Paint is in good condition. If you want to see a more detailed video, visit Rolling Museums YouTube channel and visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos, financing available. It's one bad ride, guys. And she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Interior is in great shape. She has a little under 62,000 miles. Headliner good. Headliner good. Dash in great shape. Package tray nice and clean. That's what I like to call running like a sewing machine. She sound damn good, guys. Now let's take a look at this 1968 Cadillac Coupe Deville Convertible. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows that complements the paint. She got a big block 472 cubic inch 7.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC. Convertible top functions as it should. Interior is in good condition. You can tell she was a driver. Upper dash in good shape. Start her up. Fire right up. She running good. You want a more detailed video, go to Rolling Museum's YouTube channel. Visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. She's a beauty, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. Y'all have a good one.